this week's challenge made me fondly remember Pascal's triangle as we're trying to work out combinatorials. So how are combinatorials different from permutations? Well, basically the order doesn't matter. And so on the surface, you kind of think that's going to be an easier challenge, but actually, to my mind at least, it's slightly more difficult to get my head around. So we start off with our 15 variable inputs, and then we go to get rid of the var prefix and turn it into a number. So that's why I'm using a multi-field formula, even though I'm only doing it on one field, just so that I can change the output type as well inside a single tool. You could use two tools. It's really not more efficient, really. It's just a personal preference. So then we're going to sort of join that field to itself, so we're appending that. And you can kind of see already that we've got this like 1, 1 going on. We know that we don't want the same variable in there twice, so we need to filter that out. But we also know that we kind of want to filter more than that out. So what we're actually doing here is we're saying that we only want sort of half of the variables to kind of follow through. So we're only keeping those where name1 is less than name2. So that stops, for example, us having a repetition of 2, 1, of the 2 being here and the 1 being there. So that kind of is how we're stopping that repetition, those double counting of groups where the order would be different, but we don't care about the order being different. So I think that makes sense. So then we do a similar process where we're just appending on our data again, and then this time we only need to make sure that our name2 is smaller than our name3, because we've already made sure that, by design our name1 is less than our name2, therefore our name1 is less than our name3. So then that means that when we have our group here of 1, 2, 3, we know it won't be in any other order. We know it won't be 1, 3, 2, we know it can't be 3, 2, 1, etc. and so forth, just because we always have that ascending order. And that's basically how we can make sure that we're only having one of those groups per sort of 3 variables. So that's quite a clever technique that I may have seen elsewhere when I was looking for the solution to this, but I hope that that was useful and simple, and for me seeing that was a real I've been trying to do it for ages, and it's as simple as that. So I hope that was useful for you. Thanks for watching.